Think maps are just for directions? Think again. Every time you check your phone, GIS is at work behind the scenes. GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, is the technology that captures, analyzes, and visualizes location data. It powers everything from smart cities to disaster management and even farming. Cities are getting smarter with GIS. Planners use it to design roads, optimize traffic signals, and even plan public transport routes. This means less congestion, faster commutes, and safer streets. Farmers are leveraging GIS to increase productivity. By analyzing soil quality, weather patterns, and crop health, they can make better decisions, predicting yields, reducing waste, and saving costs. GIS is crucial in emergencies. It tracks wildfires, floods, and disease outbreaks in real time, helping rescue teams respond faster and save lives. Public health experts use GIS to map disease outbreaks, allocate resources efficiently, and plan vaccination drives. Businesses rely on GIS to optimize delivery routes, understand customer patterns, and plan expansion strategies. Environmentalists use GIS to monitor deforestation, track wildlife, and manage natural resources sustainably. GIS is shaping our world, and now it can shape your future too. Subscribe to learn more about the technology transforming every aspect of our lives.